Hello, it's Sally from Rickety Snippets here, and today I'm going to show you how to put together our tag pockets. So we have tags that have a front and a back and a pocket on it, so you can put your ephemera in there. And the kit comes with lots of bits of ephemera that you can either use in your pockets or in your other projects. So I've inked all the ephemera to begin with, and I've also inked this edge of the pockets, so that kind of cut that goes off at a slant, but I haven't inked any of the other bits of the tags just yet. Okay, so they're really easy to put together. The first thing you need to do is to score the tags or the lines so that we can get a really nice sharp fold on those tabs. So I'll get my empty pen, which keeps saying it's empty, but then there's always just a little bit of ink in it. I'll just test it there. So along each of these edges, just kind of score. You may not be able to see these lines on the camera, but there are lines there to guide you. So I'll do that for each of these pockets. Right, so apologies, I've just had a complete camera malfunction. So what I would have done in the time that before I realised that the camera had stopped working, I've made up two of the tag pockets. So they're all made in exactly the same way, so I'll show you the third pocket and how I put it together. So first of all, I put some glue on the front, so the shorter side of the tag, paying attention to those edges and the top because I want a really good connection there. And just line up those edges. A good smooth over. And then let's have a look and see if you've got any white overhangs from the other edge. And then we just need to stick our pocket on. So we're going to put some glue along these tabs. And then hold them in as best we can. I think it makes a difference which way you put these, so probably not a lot of difference, but I'm going to put the bottom tab over the two side ones, which I think gives you a little bit more space in your pocket. So obviously if you want it a bit more flush to the tag, fold them the other way around. That's it. And so we now have three tag pockets, so they're patterns back and front, so they can sit independently in your junk journal. So I just love these patterns. I love this mushroom in particular. And then you want to put some ink on your edges. So we're going to grab our ephemera. I think I'm going to stick some of it onto the pockets. So this little fairy round here, or sticker. Which might be quite nice on the front of this one. Just give that pocket a little bit of interest on there. And I'm going to use these two on the other pockets. So upside down. Yeah, I think that way round. Not too many butterflies all on the same one. Either can't get the glue to come out, or it all comes out once. That's it. And then all there is left to do is to stuff our pockets with our ephemera. So I've got some really nice little bits of some tickets here with some birds on, a little peacock there, and some fairy tags, snowflake, these pretty butterflies. And there are also 3 of these, so that repeating pattern, so you could either put those in your in your pockets, or you could use them in another project somewhere else. There we are, 3 pretty pockets. So you could obviously put a rivet on these and a bit of sari silk, or maybe a ribbon, and hang them in your junk journal. And you could do the same with these as well. So lots of different ways to think about using them in your projects.